Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Honda Fit clock. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is turned to the on position. Then, find the clock or sound button on your car's radio. You'll need to press and hold this button for a few seconds until you hear a beep and the time displayed on your screen starts to blink, indicating it's ready for adjustment. Once the clock is blinking, you can begin adjusting the hour. Look for the button labeled H, which is typically also your radio's preset number 4 button. Press this H button repeatedly to advance the hour until you reach the correct time. Remember, it will cycle through both AM and PM, or a 24-hour format, depending on your vehicle's settings. Next, we'll set the minutes. Find the M button, which is commonly your radio's preset number 5. Just like with the hour, press the M button repeatedly to advance the minutes. Keep pressing until the display shows the precise minute you desire. This step ensures your clock is accurate down to the minute. To finalize your clock setting, simply press the clock or sound button one more time. The blinking time display will stop, confirming that your new time has been successfully saved. If your Honda Fit has a touchscreen display, the process might involve navigating through the settings menu to clock adjustment to make your changes. Congratulations, your clock is now set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.